In the previous video, we created the assembly for the crank slider mechanism using SolidWorks. In this video, we are going to add the motion steady and then give it a rotary motion and let it run for us to see. So to do that, you come to the motion steady down here, or you click on the new motion steady, and you're going to use the basic motion this time. Set the type of steady to a basic motion, and you come to settings and make sure this is 60 frames per second, and then change all these to high, and that will be okay. Now select a motor, and then for the components that will drive the mechanism, select this face of the crank. I want it to run in a counterclockwise direction, so reverse direction, and then a constant speed of 100 revolutions per minute. This will be okay. And then bring this here, click on this, and we take it to 8 seconds for enough time to run the mechanism. I'm going to bring this down, and then make sure this is set to normal for the playback mode, and then drop this down, calculate. After calculating, you can see the motion works, so I'll set the playback to loop and then play from start. So this is the crank slider mechanism, which converts rotary motion in a crank disc to a reciprocating motion in the slider, as we can see. You can change the speed to 1.5, or even make it times 5, or we can slow it down in any way we want. So yeah, this is the crank slider mechanism that we have created with SolidWorks. I hope this video helped you out very well. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notification, and also share the video to your colleagues so they can also watch it and learn. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Safe.